In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the map2list function. So in our scenario here, we're asking the subscriber where they live, UK, EU or other. So perhaps we wish to subscribe them to a different mailing list depending on which option they select. So if they selected UK, we subscribe them to the UK mailing list. If they subscribed EU, we subscribe them to the EU mailing list, and so on. So let's have a look at how we can quickly do that. At the moment, we've set up our radio box with the following three options. Let's mouse over it and click on the edit button. Okay, we can see our menu options here. In the Map 2 section, we wish to open this up, scroll down to the bottom and select Map 2 List, and you'll see it's got the green Advanced button next to it. Okay, now this is in Map to List mode, it's now asking us to specify our mailing lists. So let's do the UK one first. Let's click on UK. And the option is called UK, and now we just need to select a list to map it to. Let's open the menu, and here we go. We've got a list that we created earlier called UK customers. Let's select it. Hit save. Let's do the same for the second one for our EU users. Click on it, select map to list, and now select EU customers. Hit save. And finally, other. Click on it, open the list, and select other. Hit save. Perfect. There we go. So if a user selects UK from the radio boxes, they'll be added to the UK customers mailing list inside our account. If they select EU, they'll be added to the EU customers mailing list, and so on if they select other customers. When you're ready to apply, just hit save and close.